Hi all, today I, Anirudh Sadhi and Gurpreet Singh from the Health Infomaniacs team, which also includes Fayaz Adam and Min Yugan, are going to present the technical details of our team project on CDC post-discharge stroke patient data reporting app. Let us look at the architecture overview. The system consists of three main components and one user: EMR, Smart on Fire Stroke app, and the PCPDS survey admin. EMR contains all the patient data. Trigger contains logic to determine if a patient needs to be monitored post-discharge for stroke. Data from EMR is captured into the stroke app for a patient. It is also an interface for the survey admin. And it also sends information to the EMR, and state or CDC can access data on this app. The PCPDS survey admin collects the 30-day post-discharge information using this app. Some of the external resources we've used are provided by CDC in a Docker, which has the system set up along with the Smart on Fire and contains patient data, to which we will also be adding additional synthesized data, which is more problem specific. The code will also be shared with CDC. Let us look at the data flow. The EMR contains all patient information for the reported incident as well as the patient history. The trigger has certain logic polling asynchronously to determine if a patient, when discharged from the hospital, needs to be monitored post discharge. Once the patient is identified, their data is collected into the Smart on Fire Stroke app. At the end of 30 days since discharge, we will have a survey administrator entering a questionnaire on the patient, which will be collected in the app. A note with this new information is sent back to EMR to be linked to the patient data, and the state or CDC can also access this data for their reporting and researching purposes. The database table schema contains two tables: the survey administrator and the patient. The patient table will have the information on the patient, and it also contains a JSON file which will have detailed information of the patient record. The patient, upon discharge from the hospital, is assigned to a survey administrator. The survey administrator table will have the administrator details, their affiliation to any hospital or facility, and their user credentials. I will now hand it over to Gurpreet to walk us through the rest of this presentation.